Good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Now today we are learn here the computer subject. Now open your computer textbook and open the first chapter of your computer. Now last year you learned about the computer, what is a computer and parts of computer very well. Also you learn about the PowerPoint. Now today we learn here in the standard 7, the first chapter is a internet and email. What is an internet? So internet is a word. Internet is a combination is two, interconnection and network. The internet is a network of thousands of computers across the world. In short, the internet is a network of computer network. So what is the meaning of internet? The internet is a network of computer network. Internet is not owned by anybody, but there are various organizations that manage different parts of the network. Now let us see here the uses of internet. Why we are using the internet nowadays? All the people are using the internet. Why? Internet used for chatting, sending to mail one people to another people. Now let us learn here the uses of internet. First, internet used for emails. Emails means electronic mails. Email is used to send mails through the internet. Using emails, you can exchange text messages, pictures, sound, etc. with other internet user across the world in the just a few seconds. You only need to have an emails account which is provided free of cost by most server, right? So email is a most important. Now next is a news group. News group are used to exchange views, ideas, news and other information. An internet user can directly participate in a discussion on different topic. So if you have the internet in a mobile phone, otherwise in a computer, you collect the news from the government. Nowadays is a coronavirus is most important news in a local area. So it is a very popular news. So you are all of about know about the coronavirus. So it's possible for to collect that information without internet? No, it is not possible. Now next is a uses of internet is a online chatting and conferences. Nowadays in all the schools teachers are using online chatting and conferences. You connect with all the subject, you learn all the subject by online learning, that means home learning. You learn all the subject. The third is the online chatting and conferences. The internet user across the world can communicate live with one another. There are special software to have audio video conferences on the internet. Means internet is most important, right? Now next is other uses of internet. So buying and selling products through advertisement of the on the internet. Suppose you go in the internet, you saw so many products like in furnitures of your home, yeah, clothes, wearings, ornaments, right? All the things you see in on online. So you want to buy and selling that products through the advertisement on the internet. Next is a managing bank account. That means you visit in the bank account, right? You see the so many computer are using that, and the in the bank account also use the computer. Your bank account, suppose your bank account in any bank, but computer is manage your bank account. That means how many credited and how many withdraws amount you see by in computer. Next, studying a subject of one choice and obtaining a degree. So computer are also used for studying a subject of one choice and obtaining a degree. That means nowadays we all are living at home, right? Not possible come to school and learn all the subject. But today government decided to learn the online all the subject, right? So student, you all are learn the all subject by online. So it is possible without internet? No, it is not possible. Internet is a most important. Without internet in your phone, it is not possible, right? Now next is a reading newspaper and magazines, etc. By the internet you read the latest news paper, like how many total number of viruses in the Ahmedabad countries, that all are news you collect via internet and magazine also. Number 5, watching movies, playing games and listening to music. So you student, you all are I think using a computer for watching movies, right? You want to watch a movie, so you insert a CD in the computer and you watch the movie. Playing games, if you boring in the reading the subject and learning all the subject, that time you want to do, you want to playing a games in the computer. And next is a listen to music. If you boring in the reading subject and writing subject, that time you listen to music by the computer from internet, right? So internet is most uses. Number 6 is a ordering book. Suppose you have no books, right, and you collect the more books about the learning subject, then you go on the internet site and purchase that learning subject and ordering that book from the internet. Number 7, sending greeting cards. In your family, suppose anybody birthday is will come and you want to give the birthday card, you want to create a birthday card from paint program and you sending that greeting cards by internet. Is it possible by internet? Without internet is it not possible. You can't send the greeting cards to your friends, family members, brother, sister also. So it's the not possible for the internet. Now let us learn here the next. But today we are learn here what is an internet and uses of internet. So now student, you must write what is an internet and uses of internet in your notebook one time. I teach you all the things very well. I hope you all are understand. Now our next chapter we learn about the internet technology. So you are must read before I learn you. Thank you students.